Let's make a star. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be doing a 5-point star. This is a 6-point star. The only difference is how many clusters you make in the middle. For the 5-point, we're going to be doing 5 clusters. This is a 6-point, so it has 6 clusters. So let's get started. First, I'm going to be using this easy yarn that I got at Amazon. You could also use Michael's Cuddlecraft yarn, which is basically the exact same thing. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook. It's number H if you go by the letters. We need a small scissors and a tapestry needle. So let's get started. So first thing you need to do is make a slip knot. Then we are going to, we're not going to do a magic ring. We're going to do a chain ring for this one. You could also do a magic ring if that's easier for you. I find just for the basis of showing you how to put the stitches in the ring, a chain ring is easier. So we're going to crochet, we're going to make a chain of 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to do a slip stitch into the first chain. So we're just going to go in. We're going to insert our hook into that chain. We're going to yarn over, pull it through, and then pull it through. And now you have this little circle. Now it's very important when you're crocheting into the circle, you go around the tail so we could pull it tight later. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to chain 2. 1, 2. Now, what we're doing inside the circle is we're crocheting clusters of 3 double crochets. So this chain 2 acts as your first cluster of 3. So that would count as your first double crochet. So then we're going to do 2 and 3. See how I'm going over that tail as I'm working? It's very important. So now you have your first cluster of 3. Then you're going to chain 2. And then we're going to do another cluster of 3 double crochets. So there's 1. 2. And 3. So that's 2 clusters of 3 double crochets. So we're going to chain 2, do another one. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to chain 2, 1, 2. So right now we have 3 clusters. We do making our 4th cluster of 3 double crochets. Okay, so now we have 4, chain 2, and now if you're having trouble getting into that circle, you want to push your clusters away so you have space in here, because if you go over something that's already done, these are going to be way too big. There's 1. 2 and 3. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to close this and to start on our star points, we're going to chain 2 like we do after every cluster, and then we're going to slip stitch into the top of that first chain 2 that you did that counted as our first double crochet. So we're going to slip stitch into here to close it. And now we have our 5, you can see them, they're all already kind of points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to make our actual star points. So it's very simple. So the process for each hole, you're going to do 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, then you're going to chain 2, and that's going to form the point of the star, the star top. Then we're going to go backwards. We're going to do a double crochet, a half double crochet, and a single crochet. And there you have your first star point. So we're going to go into the next hole. You don't do no chaining in between, just go right into the next hole. We're going to do our single crochet, then we're going to do our half double crochet, and then we're going to do our double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, go backwards now. You can do our double crochet, half double, and our single crochet. Wait a minute, sorry about that. Single crochet, go in. Okay, so now we have 2 star points. Now we're going to do the rest into the next hole. So single crochet, half double, double, chain 2, double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet. So we have 2 more. So now we have 3 star points. We can do our last 2. Single crochet, half double, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, half double, and a single crochet. Now we're going to do our last point. So if you were doing 6, you would have done 6 clusters and you would be on your 6th point, but now we've only done 5 for this one. So the single crochet, half double, double, chain 2, 1, 2, double, half double, and single. So now you have your 5 star points, but if you want to finish at the top of a point, which is what I like to do, is you're going to go into this next one here and you're going to slip stitch, and that will close it. Now if you want to stop here you can, but I like to have my tail, the yarn coming out of the top of the point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slip stitch into each hole there, space, until I get to the top of the star. See, and now I'm going to go into the top of the point, and there you have your nice 5-point star. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this. I'm going to chain 1, pull it through, and there you have your 5-point star. So now if you successfully chained over, worked over that tail, you could pull this tight. That closes the circle. You take your tapestry needle and basically you're going to pull it tight, and then you're going to weave in your yarn around that circle, around those steps that you did. You're going to go around a few times, just try to weave it inside, pulling it tight, and then you can go backwards to lock it in. And then you trim it, and there you have it. Now what you could do here is you could decorate it, you could put little beads on it, you could tie this so it hangs like that. So there you have it, your beautiful, easy 5-point star. So remember, in each hole it is a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, you chain 2 to make the point, then you go backwards, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet. And that's it. Easy peasy.